Kementeri Jongko Koi Kakia Kajala ka Dr. Amperin Lengdo Kalaong bakan don kam banduat benia ya kasenta kaban aya kino ke SOP na kabantaban sumariau ne uknyang jengpang mpox ne monkeypox suba thamai haba jengkran shakilat pathai khobo henen kasngi ka kong Amperin Lengdo Kalaong bana kalyang ka sarkar jala kamla ban shimya kalat banyada halor kane karai Kalaong shushu bakilat jingyada ki hab banwan na ka sarkar padang Kementeri Koi Kakia kalapan pauru ya kajeng saukia halor kajeng pang polio kabala aban mi thamai kabala aban itu kum ka wild polio hame khalia kalaya tu ba ka World Health Organization ne ka WHO kadang penlong ya kajeng toket ka babni aban pentikana ya kane hato ka de shisha ka jajeng pang ka bapher.
Give me some time to figure this out because mpox is something that everybody is now discussing. We need to figure out whether or not we have the vaccines, whether or not Government of India has given SOPs for the treatment of mpox. We will not jump the gun. It is at the moment, I'm told, located in a certain region or certain area. I am yet to get a proper briefing. We await Government of India briefing. We cannot take protocols and decisions on protocols on our own as a state. These protocols are designed through policy and advisories come from Government of India. To my knowledge, as of now, it is a buzz. People are talking about it. But whether or not there are specific SOPs as of today, I'm not sure, but we can find out. As of today, only in certain areas, in certain countries, there is a vigilance. But I'm told that that has not become a wide-scale concern. But we can find out and we can be prepared. We can be prepared on this. No, there has been no indicator of any outbreak of mpox. It's still in that stage where, again, international studies are required. We need to get proper advisories. We need to know which are the vulnerable strains, which are the, it's very complicated. We will await for that.